Damn, tired of swinging this all day, bro.
So let's destroy it. What's up guys, Ballistic Bros here. We are back with another video.
Today we're gonna see if a sledgehammer can stop a bullet.
Let's get it, boys. Ah! First up, we got the 22. Check out the damage. Oh, dead center. All right, cool. All right, next up, we got the 9mm. Took a little chunk out.
Damn. All right, so this is what the 9mm did. Actually, it didn't even damage it like that.
Looks like it sent it flying off to the side, dragging against the table.
All right, next up we have the green tip 5.56. Damn. All right, so the green tip 5.56 hit right here. But I kind of don't like the way this hammer is set up, bro. What if we like set it up like that?
Let's do it, man.
All right, let's do it.
Next up, we got the slug. Hey. Oh.
Bro! The hammer! The hammer!
Yeah.
All
That's
right.
all fiberglass. Let's try that again.
Yeah, let's run it back.
What?
Boom! All right, so this is the damage from the slug. We got like a center hit on the fiberglass. What do you think, Ricky?
It's a strong hammer, man. Let's take it to a big boy now. Next, we got the 30-06.
All right, let's see what the 30-06 did.
Damn, that is crazy.
I told you it would stop it, bro.
30-06 couldn't even stop this 12-pound sledgehammer. Looks like nothing's gonna stop Thor, huh? All right. Well.
Looks like you got to get back to swinging, my boy.
No, please.
All right, guys, so that's the end of this video. Clearly, a sledgehammer can stop a bullet. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you drop a like, comment, and subscribe.
If you guys are getting shot at, make sure to pull out that handy dandy sledgehammer from your pocket, all right?
All right.
Hey, what are we filming for the next video? What are you thinking?
Wow. So let's destroy it.